I'm Mike Kuechenmeister, Director of Plant Operations here at Westchester Medical Center, and this morning we're here discussing our post-Clover line isolation monitor panels, and I'd like to say that we're very happy with the operation of the post-Clover systems and how they operate here within the hospital. Staff is very confident that we have a safe situation for them in the event that there were a problem with any current leakage that would take place with the equipment while we're operating here in the operating rooms. In my previous careers, I've been a corporate engineer for a large hospital system out of Dallas, Texas, and we had post-Clover line isolation monitor panels in many of those hospitals, and we were always very happy with the type of service and repairs that were taking place with our equipment.